Your CapCut app might open fine, but the export button isn't working on your iPhone, stopping you from saving your videos. Most users get frustrated here without knowing the reasons. This usually happens due to app glitches, outdated versions, or temporary software issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut export button not working issue, so let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Force quit recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom on your iPhone home screen. Now find the CapCut recent uses task, then swipe CapCut away to close it completely. Now restart your iPhone and reopen the app and try exporting again. Solution 2. Check for CapCut Pro features. This is the most common reason the button fails. If you haven't purchased a Pro feature yet, but you have used the Pro features, like effect, filter, or sound, which is locked behind the Pro subscription, the app will prevent you from exporting until you remove it or pay money. Solution 3. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If it didn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap clear cache below, then tap confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 5. Check app update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.